Hey, it's Angus here. I just created a little cartoon about mini chefs preparing an enormous pizza. Probably took about 10 minutes. So combination using ChatGPT and Video Express. And here's all my scenes I made. I also use this other program called Artsly to create the slides, and then imported it into Video Express. And then I actually used another program. I could have used the editing program here, but I used another program called Camtasia. So enjoy and try out the software if you like. There's a link in the description. Cheers. Enjoy this little mini cartoon. Bye for now.
Once upon a time, in a kitchen bigger than a castle, tiny chefs had a huge mission. First, they made the squishiest, stretchiest dough ever. Then, whoosh, rivers of yummy tomato sauce covered it all. But wait, here comes the cheesiest cheese storm. The mini chefs raced to place giant toppings, pepperoni wheels, mushroom mountains, and pepper slices flying through the air. Next stop, the biggest oven in the whole wide world. Out popped the most enormous pizza anyone had ever seen. Get ready, because the mini chefs are about to share the pizza of your dreams.
Thanks for watching. If you've liked what you've seen, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this a thumbs up. And if you want to try out the same software I used to make this video, just click the link below.